Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about Nervogen Pro, a remarkable supplement that promotes neuropathy-free living. Nervogen Pro is specially formulated to help improve the overall health of the nervous system, and its gentle action allows you to enjoy a neuropathy-free life without any negative side effects. Nervogen Pro is a blend of natural ingredients that together provide comprehensive support for the nervous system. Some of the key ingredients in Nervogen Pro include ginkgo biloba, which is well known for its cognitive benefits, including improved nerve function and blood circulation. The bark extract of this plant is also rich in flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties that can help protect the nervous system from damage. Ashwagandha is another active ingredient in Nervogen Pro. This adaptogenic herb has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries to help the body cope with stress and maintain overall mental health. Ashwagandha helps reduce the effects of stress on the nervous system and has been shown to improve symptoms of anxiety and depression. The herb valerian is another ingredient in Nervogen Pro that can help calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. Valerian root has long been used in traditional medicine to treat anxiety, insomnia, and other nervous system problems. It works by affecting the nervous system's GABA receptors, which can help reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. In addition to these natural ingredients, Nervogen Pro also contains no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives, ensuring that you receive the highest quality product. In conclusion, Nervogen Pro is a fantastic supplement that can help promote a neuropathy-free life by providing comprehensive nervous system support through carefully selected ingredients. Ginkgo biloba, ashwagandha, and valerian root work together to help improve cognitive function, reduce stress, and promote relaxation, ensuring your nervous system is in great shape. If you want to enjoy a neuropathy-free life, consider trying Nervogen Pro.